My name is Lucy Lee, and my project is on Tyson Foods. My goal is to show how Tyson's advertising strategy can be improved. The company overview is Tyson Foods is one of the largest protein-focused food companies in America, producing 20% of the country's beef, pork, and chicken. The company processes these meats and sells them packaged up in stores across the United States. They have a variety of frozen, fresh, and ready-to-eat options. Tyson's mission statement is that Tyson is a faith-friendly company whose main goal is to grow, deliver, and sustain the highest quality food products. Tyson strives to sustainably feed the world with the fastest growing proteins, including not only chicken, but beef and pork as well. Their food products attract consumers' changing lifestyles due to the fact they are affordably priced and easy for anyone to prepare. Tyson's vision is to be the world's first choice for protein while creating value for their shareholders, communities, customers, and team members. Some key words that describe Tyson are affordable, sustainable, inclusive, innovative, convenient, and fast. Tyson's advertising problem currently is that they do not advertise well enough to young consumers. Young consumers, specifically Generation Z, do not consider Tyson Foods because they do not know the convenience of Tyson products. The objective for this campaign is that young consumers, specifically Generation Z, should know that Tyson has easy at-home meal options for even the busiest of weeks. Tyson's core message will be, busy week, Tyson's got your back. An example of a target audience member would be college student Jack Stevens. Jack is 21 years old, goes to the University of Georgia. He lives in Athens currently. Jack keeps up with Instagram and TikTok trends and loves to use social media. He communicates with his friends mostly through Snapchat, making group plans for the weekend. Jack is conservative and a huge sports fan. He has an active social life and is a member at Crunch Fitness. He loves to go to the gym to try to stay in shape. As Jack is a college student, he lives on a budget, trying to avoid going out to eat every night of the week so he can save up money to be social on the weekends. Jack loves cookouts with his friends where they gather and watch sports games. The first static solution is in the format of 2 Instagram advertisements using an influencer. This format was chosen because 88% of current college students use Instagram and react to influencers. For this campaign specifically, Tyson chose Joe Burrow as their influencer. This advertisement will be a sponsorship with Joe Burrow, and he will personally post to his Instagram because he is sponsored, and it will show up all over Generation Z's Instagram feeds. One photo will be of him eating a piece of Tyson chicken before the game, and the other will not show the product. Both advertisements will have him highlight Tyson's convenience in the caption. The first caption will read, busy week, Tyson meal kits are fast and easy. Tyson always has me ready for the big game. And in the second picture, the caption will be, fast Tyson snack before kickoff. Tyson makes my pregame snacks easy. The message principles being used are the following. The first one is simple. These advertisements find the core message and stick to it. The captions for the post simply highlight the fact that Tyson is convenient, being that it's fast and easy. The second message principle being used is credibility. Joe Burrow is a well-known football player and he has credentials. Therefore, he is credible to be promoting Tyson. People want to listen to what he has to say. The third message principle being used is emphasis on one idea. The idea being emphasized is that Tyson is convenient. The ads do not say anything else about Tyson other than how easy it is. The fourth message principle is put the most important stuff in the most important places. As you can see in both advertisements, in the bottom left corner, there's a very visible Tyson logo. The viewer's eye will immediately go to the left corner because they will see Joe Burrow's name and will want to see his caption. So they will also see Tyson's logo at the same time. The fifth message principle is find the right voice. Joe Burrow is the right voice because he is in the target audience, being that he is 24 years old himself. This message is coming straight from him and it is kept simple and informal. The second static solution being used is a Snapchat ad. Tyson chose Snapchat because 45% of Snapchat users are aged between 18 and 24. being in our target audience. And a full 77% of college students use Snapchat at least once a day. This advertisement will pop up in between viewing friends' Snapchat stories. It is brightly colored, so it will catch the viewer's attention. Once their attention is grabbed, the viewer can easily swipe up from the bottom of the advertisement, which will take them directly to Tyson's page and show all of Tyson's available products. The first message principle being used here is that it's unexpected. The audience does not expect to see a Tyson advertisement on their Snapchat story related to homework. When they see it, they're surprised, but the bright colors will keep their attention and the arrow prompts them to be able to see Tyson's available products. The second message principle is that it's concrete. This message avoids abstracts by stating and showing a problem with Tyson being the solution. There is no room for misinterpretation, with time being the problem and quick Tyson meals being the solution. The third message principle is showing the product itself. At the bottom of the advertisement, there is a clear picture filled with many of Tyson's different products. The fourth message principle is asking questions. The ad states, "No time," and then afterwards says, "No problem," indicating Tyson has their back and is the answer to the problem. The fifth message principle being used is that being both the consumer and the product. The beginning of the ad places the consumer swamped in homework, and then the product, Tyson, answers the problem with their convenient options. Thank you for listening to this campaign, and always know that Tyson's got your back.